Have you ever stopped to wonder why humans are the only species on Earth that cooks food? Think about it. Lions tear into raw meat. Wolves swallow fresh prey. Chimpanzees, our closest living relatives, eat fruits, leaves, and even raw meat without ever lighting a fire. Yet every culture on Earth, from the Arctic to the Amazon, cooks. Why? Here's the incredible part. Cooking didn't just change what we eat. It may have created the modern human race. Without cooking, your brain might be smaller. Your body would look different. Human civilization might never have existed. And the most shocking fact? Scientists believe that one accidental discovery millions of years ago may have completely rewritten the future of humanity. So, who discovered cooking? Why did our ancestors risk eating food from a fire? And how did one simple act transform weak primates into the dominant species on Earth? The answers are far more unbelievable than most people realize. Let's go back nearly 2 million years. Long before cities, long before farming, long before written history. Our ancestors lived in a brutal world where every single day was a fight for survival. They had no supermarkets, no refrigerators, no kitchens, no metal tools. Every meal had to be found in the wild. Some days they gathered berries. Other days they dug up tough roots buried deep beneath the ground. If they were lucky, they found eggs, insects, or honey. And on rare occasions, they hunted or scavenged the meat of dead animals left behind by larger predators. Life was unpredictable. One successful day could be followed by several days without enough food. Unlike lions or wolves, early humans weren't built for strength. They couldn't outrun predators. They couldn't overpower large animals. Their survival depended on something far more valuable: their ability to think. But there was one major problem. Thinking requires energy. The human brain is one of the most energy-hungry organs in nature. Today, although it makes up only about 2% of our body weight, it consumes roughly 20% of our daily energy. For early humans, getting that much energy wasn't easy. Everything they ate was raw. Raw meat was extremely tough. Raw roots were packed with hard fibers. Raw nuts demanded powerful jaws. Even chewing a single meal could take hours. Scientists studying early human diets estimate that our ancestors may have spent up to 6 hours every day chewing food. Imagine spending nearly a quarter of your entire day doing nothing but chewing. That wasn't just exhausting. It wasted precious time and energy that could have been used for hunting, making tools, protecting children, or exploring new land. Their digestive systems also worked much harder than ours. Breaking down raw food required enormous effort inside the stomach and intestines. Many nutrients passed through the body without being fully absorbed. In other words, early humans were surviving, but they weren't thriving. Then something happened that would change human history forever. Fire. At first, fire was terrifying. Lightning strikes ignited forests. Volcanoes sent rivers of lava across the land. Wildfires destroyed everything in their path. Animals ran away. Humans probably did too. But eventually, someone stayed. Instead of running from the flames, they watched, they observed, and slowly they began to understand that fire wasn't just dangerous. It was useful. It provided warmth during freezing nights. It frightened away hungry predators. It gave light after sunset. For the first time, humans could safely remain active after dark. Families gathered around glowing flames. Children stayed protected. Stories were shared. Knowledge was passed from one generation to the next. Without realizing it, fire was already changing human society. But its greatest gift was yet to come. One accidental moment, one forgotten piece of meat, or one root left beneath hot ashes may have become the most important meal in human history. Because what happened next wouldn't simply change dinner. It would change the human body itself, and that's where our story takes an extraordinary turn.